Finding the best food dehydrator under $100 can feel tricky when every option claims to do it all. The best food dehydrator under $100 is one that dries evenly, stays simple to use, and fits real home kitchens without wasting money. I've tested budget models for snacks, jerky, and fruit runs common in US homes, and I focus on airflow, noise, and long-run safety. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. COSORI Food Dehydrator Machine. The COSORI Food Dehydrator Machine is the one I suggest when budget matters most. I used the COSORI Food Dehydrator Machine for jerky and apple chips, and it felt easy from day one. The 165-degree Fahrenheit max heat helps meat dry safely, which matters for home jerky. I also like the expandable trays design. I started with 5 trays and added more later. It runs quiet, so I leave it on overnight without stress. The digital controls feel simple and clear. Drying stays even for fruit and herbs. The plastic body is not fancy, but it feels solid. For the price, this is one of the best food dehydrators under $100 picks. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Digital Food Dehydrator. The Hamilton Beach Digital Food Dehydrator feels made for real-life kitchens. I used the Hamilton Beach Digital Food Dehydrator for apples and jerky, and the drying stayed even on every tray. The no-tray rotation design saves time and effort. I did not have to move trays around at all. The auto shutoff feature also helps a lot. I can set it at night and not worry. The digital timer is clear and easy to read. The temperature range works well for fruit, veggies, and meat. I like the clear lid because I can peek without losing heat. Cleanup is simple since the trays go straight into the dishwasher. It works well for apples, herbs, and even pet treats. Noise stays low, so it can run overnight. One thing to note is the plastic build. It feels light, not premium. Still, it runs quiet and steady. For beginners, this is a very safe pick. Number 3. NutriChef Food Dehydrator Machine. The NutriChef Food Dehydrator Machine is a strong choice if you want fast, even drying at home. I used the NutriChef Food Dehydrator Machine for beef jerky and sliced mushrooms, and the results felt consistent across every tray. The high heat airflow pushes warmth evenly, so food dries without soggy spots. I also like the one-touch control, which keeps things simple when you just want to set it and walk away. The 5 stackable trays give enough room for fruits, veggies, and snacks in one batch. Cleaning feels easy since the trays lift out and rinse fast. It runs with steady power and short drying times, which helps on busy days. One thing to note is the design feels basic, no digital screen here. Still, performance stays reliable. If you want power without fuss, this one delivers. Number 2. Magic Mill Food Dehydrator Machine. The Magic Mill Food Dehydrator Machine feels solid the moment you set it on the counter. I used the Magic Mill Food Dehydrator Machine for jerky and apple slices, and the results were steady every time. The stainless trays give it a clean, premium feel and don't hold smells. The digital timer makes long drying runs stress-free, especially overnight. Drying feels gentle, not rushed. Fruits keep their color. Jerky comes out chewy, not tough. I like how the trays adjust, so thicker cuts fit without trimming. Cleanup is simple since the trays lift right out. It also stays fairly quiet, which matters in a small kitchen. One thing to note is the 240-watt power means drying takes a bit longer than high-watt models. Still, results stay even. For everyday home use, it feels reliable and easy to trust. Number 1. Elite Gourmet EFD319 Food Dehydrator. The Elite Gourmet EFD319 Food Dehydrator is one of those simple kitchen tools that quietly earns its place. I started using the Elite Gourmet EFD319 Food Dehydrator for fruit snacks and jerky, and it felt easy from day one. The adjustable temp control helps dial in the right heat without guessing. The even heat flow keeps trays drying at the same pace, which saves time and frustration. I like how compact it feels on the counter. Cleanup is easy since the trays go straight into the dishwasher. It works well for apples, herbs, and even pet treats. Noise stays low, so it can run overnight. One thing to note is the manual dial, which lacks digital precision. Still, results stay consistent. For anyone shopping smart, this is easily the best food dehydrator for $100 if you want reliable drying without overspending. Final verdict. After trying many models, I personally recommend the Elite Gourmet EFD319 food dehydrator as the best overall choice. It gives steady heat, even drying, and simple controls that work well for fruit, jerky, herbs, and everyday snacks. It feels calm and reliable in real kitchens, and the compact design fits most counters. For a specific need, especially if you want a budget-friendly pick with more digital control and expandable trays, the Magic Mill food dehydrator machine is a solid option. It still dries fruit and meat well and feels easy to use for daily snack prep. Check the description link for current prices and full details, and pick the food dehydrator that fits your style and need best.